Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Marley Brothers unite for Legacy Tour. Monday, the sons of the late reggae legend Bob Marley announced via social media their first joint tour in almost 20 years, celebrating their beloved father's music and legacy. Marley Brothers, the Legacy Tour, will feature individual hits from brothers Ziggy, Stephen, Julian, Kimali, and Damian, and some of Bob's classics. The 22-date Live Nation promoted North American tour is slated to kick off on September 5 with a show at the Festival Lawn at Deer Lake Park in Vancouver, then hitting Phoenix, Dallas, Cincinnati, Toronto, Atlanta, and Tampa before winding down at Miami's FPL Solar Amphitheater on October 5. Now, Rust movie armor sentenced to 18 months in prison for involuntary manslaughter. Hannah Gutierrez-Reed, the movie set weapons handler who loaded a gun for Alec Baldwin before it fired and killed cinematographer Helena Hutchins, has been sentenced to a maximum of 18 months in prison for the fatal shooting. Prosecutors said Gutierrez-Reed failed to ensure the weapon was only loaded with dummy rounds, fake bullets, used to look and sound like the real ones. The prosecutor, during her closing arguments in the trial, stated that the case is about constant, never-ending safety failures that resulted in the death of a human being. She added that Gutierrez-Reed was negligent, careless, and thoughtless when she failed to notice that live bullets had mixed with dummy rounds in a box of ammunition on set. She was found guilty of involuntary manslaughter in March and was found not guilty of a second charge, tampering with evidence, over the 2021 shooting of Hutchins on the set of Rust. Alec Baldwin also faces a manslaughter trial in July. He has pleaded not guilty to the charges. SZA to be honored by Songwriters Hall of Fame with Hal David Starlight Award. The songwriter and songstress will receive the honor at the 2024 Songwriters Hall of Fame induction and awards dinner at the Marriott Marquis Hotel in New York City this June. Songwriters Hall of Fame Chairman Nile Rodgers stated in a release that this is such an exciting time for songwriters and music. Phenomenal artists like Beyonce and Taylor Swift are pushing the envelope of what success looks like. But who could argue that the last 2 years belong to SZA? Adding that SZA's incredible songwriting, performances, her artistry makes her deserving to be the 2024 recipient of the Hal David Starlight Award. Recipients of the award are considered as gifted young songwriters who are making a significant impact in the music industry with their original songs. SZA will become only the second Black woman to receive the honor, following Alicia Keys back in 2005. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.